So unfortunately, again, I have the empty turbine train. This train is a unit train that's supposed to be there to transport wind turbines, the blades and the motors. And I guess it's going back to get more. I think they have a plant in Quebec City or Trois-Rivières. And in the back is the CP, I think it's 522. It stops here underneath the door valve ramps and waits for clearance every day around 5:30, 6 o'clock. That's the C entry. This one will probably be leaving shortly. What do we have here? Looks like an ES44 AC. Maybe an older locomotive. This one looks like it's a XUP. I'm not sure if it's actually Union Pacific or if it's a lease unit. And then we have a rebuilt AC44 right there. So this train will be rolling out fairly shortly.